Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you VideoPace FX review. So what actually is VideoPace FX? Guys, VideoPace FX is the total solution automatically transform your dual videos into dynamic animated videos instantly. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this product VideoPace FX. Right now I'm in the sales page of this product VideoPace FX. Creator of this product VideoPace FX, Shelly Penny and his partner Arif Chandra, and this product goes live on 17th of March 11 AM EST 2023. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this product. Honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this product VideoPace FX. If you purchase this product via my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free available videos like this. Guys, I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you. Okay, this is the sales page of this product VideoPace FX. Turbocharge your videos and boost your earnings by instantly adding animations to your videos, and it works seamlessly with any video software without you needing to hire expensive animators or in a house team. Guys, I'm going to show you everything what you will get. Guys, do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. And here is my blog healthywealthy24.com. I wrote the full review about this product VideoPace FX. Here is a lots of information I put, like what is VideoPace FX all about. Here is everything what you will get, guys. And VideoPace FX works 3 simple steps. VideoPace FX complete product overview is here. Okay guys, you can see product name VideoPace FX, vendor name is Shelly Penny, and 17th of March goes live on 11 AM EST. This is the official website link. And guys, you know Shelly Penny, who is Shelly Penny? You know, here is the details about the creator. Okay, so this is the full details about this product you can see here on my blog only. And the front end price only $24.95. Keep in mind, this is the one-time payment product. Okay guys, and bonus is $2,375 of the backend bonus that I will give you. I'm going to show you also all of my bonuses. Stay tuned guys. And the 30-day money back guarantee. So this is 100% risk-free product. You can, when you purchase it, they will provide a 30-day money back guarantee. And this is the creator. About the creator, VideoPace was created by Shelly Penny and her partner Arif Chandra. Shelly Penny is a graphic creator and internet marketer who has come up with a varied and creative library of animations that will allow video creatives to instantly add fun and engaging animated content to their videos hassle-free. This is 100% hassle-free product. You will be able to create any kind of video using these templates. Guys, I'm going to show you everything what you will get. You can see this is the sales page, 30-day money back guarantee. Okay guys, and what you will get inside the members area, here is everything. Here is what you get: 1,800 plus multi-purpose animations library to create dynamic videos for all video niches. It's work with all video editors without fail. How what you will get guys inside the members area, I'm going to show you details. Okay, and here is you can see VideoPace FX Pacers. Here is everything guys, and what VideoPace FX can do for you. Here is everything. VideoPace FX audios, discounts, coupon and pricing options. You know, front end offer is only $24.95. Here is everything what you will get if you purchase only front end offer. And here's the audio number 1, $37, and audio number 2, all-in-one video library toolkit, $67. This is the 2 audio only guys. So this is very worthy product that will help you to create a animated video. Okay guys, that will increase your sales and boost your business guys. This type of video will help you. And VideoPace FX frequent asked questions. I think you have lots of questions, and all the questions answers you can see available here. And VideoPace FX bonus package, this is the vendor bonuses. Vendor will give you this 3 bonus basically, and I will give you my $2,375 bonus. You can click here guys, and you can see my bonus link. You can see all of my bonuses here. This is my exclusive $2,375 $5 bonuses. What you will get here is, you can see lots of software, lots of marketing materials that I will give you totally free, guys. And how to build an email list, I'm going to show you the secret right now. You can see all of my bonuses that I will give you when you purchase this software. You can see all of my bonuses inside the members area. And if you have any problem to receiving your bonuses, you can email us, guys. Our email is here. I will send you bonus. Okay. And here is how you can access your bonus, guys. And this is my top 21 high quality PLR ebooks that I will give you totally free. And you guys just give away these ebooks and collect email. Just collect email. This is the secret method to build a profitable email list, guys. At first you give the value of your customers, of your targeted customers, then collect email, then you promote any kind of offer via email. Okay, guys, and that's it. This software will provide 30-day money back guarantee, so you have no problem. Right now I'm just going to jump the sales page of this product, and what you will get inside the members area, I'm going to show you step by step. 40 plus 3D virtual studio builder, and 1440 plus local business animated character, and 80 plus professional 3D mock-up kit, 40 plus realistic room studio sets, 250 plus stunning video footage library, 80 plus 3D white room studio sets, 300 plus 3D animations library, 240 plus high-end outdoor scene sets, 40 plus video frame elements, and 60 plus YouTube essential library, 20 plus professional lights leaks video pack, leakers video pack, 100 plus flat design connect pack, 100 plus high quality transparent PNG images. Guys, this is totally a video builder package. Okay, and 90 plus premium video call to action buttons, 180 plus business infographics animated pack, and 60 plus hand draw arrows animated pack, 60 plus comic text animated pack, 100 plus doodle character board toolkit. And that's it, guys. You can see the members area, and here is all the modules of this product, VideoPace FX. Just check out this incredible library. All of this come set up for you and ready to go. Note, all thumbnails are clickable links. Okay, all thumbnails are clickable links, guys. And here is the modules: VideoPace 3D virtual studio builder, and it's module number 2, VideoPace family animated character assets, and video module number 3, VideoPace professional 3D mock-up kit. And here is mock-up kit. You can see everything, guys. Just check out the details, link in my video description below. Module number 4, VideoPace 3D animated icon library. Guys, this is a legit product, so you can purchase it. Okay, my top recommendation is you can purchase this product. And I know the person Shelly Penny and his partner Arif Chandra. Module number 5th is VideoPace realistic room studio sets. Guys, Shelly Penny and Arif Chandra launched lots of product on JVZoo marketplace. This is also a product on JVZoo marketplace. This is also a best product that will help you to build a realistic video. And guys, module number 6 is VideoPace 3D white room studio sets. And module number 7, VideoPace stunning video footage library. Module number 8, VideoPace flat design concept pack. Module number 9, VideoPace business infographic animated pack. Module number 10, VideoPace high-end outdoor scene pack. Module number 11, VideoPace video frame element. Module number 12, VideoPace YouTube essential library. Module number 13 is VideoPace premium video call to action button. You can see, guys, the call to action button. This is looks gorgeous. Very high quality graphics, guys. Module number 14th, sorry, VideoPace doodle sackboard toolkit. You can see sackboard. Module number 15, VideoPace professional light leak video pack. Module number 16, VideoPace hand draw arrow animated pack. Wow, Model number 17, the VideoPace comic text animated pack. And 18, the VideoPace high quality transparent PNG image. And what is the investment, guys? Very low investment, just $24.95 the front-end offer. And if you hire a freelancer, they will charge lots of money like this: $59, $45, $65 if you purchase any kind of product from a freelance marketplace. Okay guys, so this is the right time to purchase this product, VideoPace FX Studio, because this is the launching pre-order. They will price increase soon, and they will provide 30-day money back guarantee. And here is the 3 bonuses that will provide: the vendor 3D explainer video templates, business graphic pack, 3D infographic pack they will provide. And here is everything. They will provide also commercial license. You can see here unlimited video renders, unlimited client projects, and everything, guys. All those space are that you will get inside the members area. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate a video and a high converting video, who actually struggling to build, guys, to create. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. And don't forget to also click the link in my video in description box, and also grab all of my bonus, guys. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.